Welcome to the Carnival Jubilee Stateroom 10279. And when you first come in, as you can see, it's a little narrow. You can come in and to the left, you have two closets, one of which contains the safe, a couple of pull-out drawers, which are kind of nice because you can put your clothes and stuff in there. And then there's also a large pull-out drawer at the bottom. Plenty of hangers for your clothing, shoes, and other accessories. And as you come on in, you can see that we have some more storage drawers. King size bed, place for that which takes the place of a nightstand. Come on around and you have your TV and refrigerator. And then we'll head on back to the bathroom. Bathroom is a little small, but workable. And here is a shower stall. And then we're back out in the bedroom. And that concludes the tour of cabin 10279.